welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a homemade facials that would help you to brighten up your skin, glow your skin, make your skin look spotless and glass skin. Okay, now it is actually better for you to sit down in your house sometimes to do facials on your skin, you know, so to, you know, glow your skin, remove all of those spots, and also remove all of those blemishes and every other stuff that you don't like on your skin. So I'm gonna be showing you how you're gonna do that, but you have to try to do that, okay? Because I know some of you guys are actually lazy, you know, like me sometimes, but you have to always do this so that you get a glowing and spotless skin. So let me walk you through into this video, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and then let's go. For skin lightening facials, you're going to be making use of tomato, guys. Now tomato helps in treating open pores. It prevents signs of aging and acts as a natural sunscreen to the skin. It acts as a stress reliever, and it's also a perfect astringent property that helps to remove fine lines as well as wrinkles. It helps to fight cellular damage, and it's also a natural bleaching property that helps to lighten up the skin when used over time. And then we're going to be making use of baking soda, which is otherwise called bicarbonate of soda. Baking soda is not only a good exfoliator, but also helps by slightly shrinking the size of your pores, okay? It prevents dirt and other particles from clogging the pores. And it's also a great antibacterial and anti-inflammatory property, which reduces pimples and acne, and it's also fade off dark spots. And it contains a lightening property which helps to lighten. That is great in reducing the pimples and acne from reoccurring on the skin. Then also in this mix, we're going to be making use of rice powder. Now rice powder is a great natural sunscreen. It's a great natural bleaching property which helps lighten up the skin. It helps to remove dark spots. It helps for wrinkles, and it also helps to tighten up the skin. It removes unwanted blackheads, and it also prevents the skin from breaking out. And then we're going to be making use of glycerin and rose water. Now glycerin helps so much in reducing the redness of an irritated skin. It works for all skin types. It helps to reduce and remove dark spots, and it is a natural skin toner that works wonders in removing or clearing up black and white heads. Alright guys, so I'm going to be creating the tomato. Of course, if you want, you can blend yours, but for me right now, I'm going to be creating it to give me a fine paste. So here's the tomato paste, and I'm going to be putting in half tablespoon of that baking soda. I'm equally going to be putting in one tablespoon of rice powder, and we're going to be putting in some drops of glycerin and rose water. Now we're going to give this a nice stir, and the mix is going to be really friendly. Okay, for this mix guys, you can actually use it about 3 to 4 times in a week, and then you can use it all over your neck, your body, your hand, your feet, like anywhere you just want to brighten up. You can use this in treatment and it's gonna be really nice on your skin. Okay guys, so for this treatment you would have to use it all over your body. Okay, you can use it from your face, your neck, your hands, your leg, your whole body. That's when you want to lighten up your body. Okay, when I mean lighten up, I don't mean bleaching. I actually mean that this ingredient is going to help to remove dark spots. It's going to help in removing the dead skin cells. So when your skin is actually very clean without any dead skin cells and whiteheads and all of that stuff, you notice that your skin is going to begin to be lighter than the way it was. Most definitely. Okay, so you have to apply this all over. I'm going to be applying it just on my face. Now it is ideal, guys, that when you make your treatment, you would have to store it in the refrigerator. Okay, you have to store it in the refrigerator for it to be very cooling. Okay, so if you want, you can actually use your hands to apply this treatment on your face and also on your body. Okay, it's actually really nice and cooling. Now after you've applied, then you can give it just a little massage. That massage is going to help to lift up all of the darkness and all of the dead skin cells on your skin, and then your skin is going to be rejuvenated and bright. Okay, so after scrubbing it, you have to scrub. Sorry, after applying it, you would have to scrub. Okay, and you scrub it all over your skin, all over your body. Okay, now you are going to notice a whole lot of improvement when you wash this off. Most definitely. Okay, so after applying that, if you have normal skin, you can leave it on for like 2 to 3 minutes, but if you have a very sensitive skin, you just wash it immediately you apply it and scrub it. Okay, you don't need to leave it on your skin, you just have to wash it. You are gonna experience a whole lot. Let me go wash it and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just finished washing my face, and number one thing that happens to my skin right now is that my skin feels very soft and it feels alive. It feels really light. Now when it dries, you are going to be feeling the smoothness, the extra smoothness of your skin. Go try this out and let me know how it is, because definitely, most definitely, that's how it's going to be on the skin. Okay, and yeah, my dark spots has actually faded up so well, and I'm loving it. Okay, so to remove all of the dead skin cells on your skin, I recommend you use this. Man, what is wrong with English today? Anyway, I recommend you use this and then scrub out all of those dead skin cells and have a rejuvenated, clear and toned skin. So this is a very simple, very simple facials, and you are going to be achieving a whole lot of improvement, and it's going to be really great on your skin. Okay, so that's it guys. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share the videos and thumbs up, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.